Nächste Station Altona. Übergang zur S2, S3 sowie zum Regional- und Fernverkehr.
S1 to Hamburg Airport via Jungfernstieg.
Testing 1, 2, test, test. Good morning from a cold and windy winter in Hamburg, Germany. This video starts right now. Let's go. Yes, and good morning once again. Welcome back to Hamburg, Germany. We are back from Canada. It's the new year. Happy 2026 to you and your friends and family back home. It is winter here. We have been hit by a pretty serious snowstorm for the last couple days, which is unusual for Hamburg, as some of you may know. And look at this, just an absolutely beautiful scene everywhere around me here this morning. And this is stormy conditions today. We've got winds of about 40 kilometers an hour with gusts of like up to 75. And you know what that means? Good conditions for landscape photography. That said, we're in a city, so hopefully I'll still get some good results. But I'm the only one at one of the most famous photos here. This is the Wasserschloss. And one of the things that I like most about this location is actually this wall here. You can kind of see the red brick behind me, and usually has nice warm lights from the offices and the people that are working in these buildings. And the images are just absolutely amazing. And in these conditions, with it being very cold and windy, we got snow on the rooftops, it's a nice color contrast between that warm tones of the red brick and the lights with actually the environment of being freezing cold and bloody windy. So yeah, welcome to winter in Hamburg. Let's explore and hopefully get a couple nice photos. Guys, this Canadian is feeling right at home here in this winter paradise. What an awesome, awesome time of year to be photographing. It's obviously not the most comfortable, you know, it's cold and windy, but look at this. Got it all to myself. Absolutely beautiful part of the city. This is the Speicherstadt. Say that 10 times fast. It's an old warehouse district where the shipping ships from all over the world would come here with all their goods, excuse me, and they get taken up to the very top of these towers and stored to keep them dry. So we're talking like spices and carpets and all of the trade from around the world hundreds and hundreds of years ago. And a lot of them have been renovated and turned into lofts and offices and studio spaces and beautiful restaurants. It's a really, really nice area of town, and the city's done a good job to maintain them as well, and it's very photogenic. So perfect place to come on a morning like this, and you really don't see it like this often, guys. This is very, very unique. And we've got a storm this morning, so expecting another 5 to 10 centimeters of snow, and it's going to stick around for a few days, which is awesome. But yeah, look at this, beautiful. I think I just got a new image for the Hamburg portfolio. This is the Maritime Museum here that you can see behind me, and there's an awesome spiral staircase like right there in the middle of the building beside it. And I first saw it photographed by a Dutch photographer named Martin Boeri and his buddy Eric that were here in Hamburg. And they got a ton of amazing photos of the whole city. And I remember seeing that one and being like, I know where that is. And I wanted to come down here to have a look, and perfect conditions this morning to get the image. So I still think I can probably perfect that one if I come back on a different day. But yeah, nice new photo to capture here with this just awesome winter scene. So let's continue our explorations of the Speicherstadt in downtown Hamburg. This is another really beautiful hidden part of the city that I don't think I've had on the vlog before. So interior of one of these old buildings, and right now you've got just one light on, and it's a really beautiful scene with the snow, and we've got so much of it on this one bench, and I think that it's going to edit really well. So I've been here a few times and always thought to myself, it's pretty photogenic, but it needs the right like conditions, and why not try on a winter morning? And just super happy with the results on the back of the camera. So I hope you like this one. Little bonus for you. Hamburg winter, and hidden location right in the center of the city. Ooh, this weather is crazy, and we've made it to the one destination that I was really hoping to get to this morning. This is called the Nikolai Fleet. It's a very sort of famous photo here in Hamburg of this line of houses that are really old. Great example of this architecture from hundreds of years ago that tends to be quite common in northern Germany, in the Netherlands, in Friesland. You've got these beautiful brick homes with like 6 or 7 stories, and they're a little bit warped now over time. But look at this frame, just a beautiful shot, and great conditions this morning to try and capture it in a scene that we really don't get here very often. This is very unique for Hamburg. We made it to the other side of the Nikolai Fleet, and this is just beautiful. Absolutely perfect conditions. The snow's getting even stronger now, and there's nobody here. It's a really unique scene, and really just crazy unique weather in Hamburg. Look at this, guys. Not the most ideal for vlogging, but definitely good for making a sweet video. So I hope you like this. Wishing you guys a nice winter season if you're in the northern hemisphere, or you're enjoying a nice summer down south. But yeah, this is pretty special for here in Hamburg. Most snow I've seen in 5 years living here. So it's been a really good start to the new year, and I'm hoping it's going to be a good winter. It'd be nice to have a few weeks of this. So yeah, take care. Thanks for watching, and wishing you guys all a happy new year. I'll see you in the next video.